Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are unable to use these options in projecting to this PC after Windows update or anything else, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue completely. So first you have to click on this option, optional features, or if this option is not available, cut this window, click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now click on this apps option. Now in apps and feature you will see this option, optional features. Click on it. Now click on this option, add a feature. Now in the search box type wireless and you will see this option, wireless display. Tick this option and make sure your internet is working. So tick this option, then click on install to install this feature in your laptop or desktop. So the installation process has been started and it will take some time, so you have to wait. Installation done. Now cut this window. Again click on Windows icon, then click on settings. Now click on system. On the left side click on projecting to this PC, and now you can see these options are now available to use. So this is how you can fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.